What's up, guys? I'm Tim. This is Newcraft Workshop, the still under construction Newcraft Workshop. But in the meantime, got another video for you today, saving you guys some money out in your shop. And today we're talking about shop staples, and not actual staples, but items that you need and use daily out in your shop. These are necessary items to keep your shop afloat. We got some old favorites as well as some brand new items today, some new pricing, and some really, really good bargains. So let's get started right away with shop item number one. All right, first thing we're going to talk about are going to be screws. Now, we have talked about these screws once before. I have pushed on you guys before many, many times, Lion Max. Now, Lion Max makes some great product if you're not familiar with who they are. It's kind of Amazon's house brand of screws. We use these epoxy-coated deck screws a ton out in our shop because we make a lot of outdoor projects, whether it's furniture, outdoor things like birdhouses and squirrel feeders, or if it's things like craft projects. As the season gets closer to fall, we start doing a lot of crafting, and all of that stuff, we use these epoxy coated. They're not going to streak or run. They're not going to make your projects look extremely bad. Epoxy coated screws. So let's take a look at this. So normally I pop up this particular set right here. This is made by Lion Max, and I'm going to show you pricing for 600 as well as pricing for 1,000. Now the 1,000 price is around 35, 36 bucks. And check out what I found here. We're going to head back to Amazon and look at this. Now, this is the same brand of screws that you're going to pick up retail at Home Depot or Lowe's. And look at the price currently on their 1,000 count. That's right. It's like 26 and some change. That's the exact same price as Lion Max's 600 count. And Lion Max is already a great deal. So 1,000 of these screws, 1.25 inch, our most common size we use. 1,000 of these at 26 bucks. Before you say anything, yes, it's a 5-pound box. So technically there's about 987 in there instead of 1,000. But we're going to call it 1,000 for easy math. 1,000 screws at 27 bucks a piece is 2.7 cents a screw. Lion Max is usually around 4 cents. Retail, you're going to pay 5 to 6 cents a screw. These are less than 3. And over the course of a year, 2 or 3 pennies here, 2 or 3 pennies there is going to add up and save you guys some money. So grab these while they are on sale. Next item. All right, sticking with screws, let's move over and talk about some of these pocket hole screws. Now, again, I have pushed on you guys a lot the Lion Max brand because Lion Max is extremely inexpensive. You get a lot for your money, and a pocket hole screw is kind of a pocket hole screw. It's going to do what it does. Pricing, though, Lion Max is extremely competitive, but check this out. Let's head over here and look first off at what you're going to pay for the Lion Max screws. Now, I'm going to compare apples to apples here. We're going to do 1,000 to 1,000. Lion Max, decent price. Again, you're getting each individual screw a whole lot cheaper than you would pay at retail. But look what I found way deep on Amazon here. This is a Milescraft set. Now, if you've watched my channel before, you know I like Milescraft. 1,000 pocket hole screws, cheaper than the Lion Max. And again, Lion Max was already a great steal. Now, one disclaimer about the Milescraft: most of your pocket holes use a square drive. Craig and everybody else uses a square drive. Milescraft uses a Torx drive. That is the only difference. When you put these screws up to each other side by side, you can't tell the difference. They are exactly the same screw. If you don't mind switching over to a Torx bit, save yourself a ton of money. This is a great price on bulk pocket hole screws by Milescraft. Next item. All right, this next item we're going to talk about is collated brad nails. These are 18 gauge. These are your most common that you're going to use in your shop. We use a lot of 1.25 inch, 1.5 inch. I've gone through dozens and dozens of these boxes of what I'm about to show you, and I don't even want to try to pronounce the name. I think it's Mighty or Mighty. Green and black and white box. You've seen them before on my channel. They are phenomenal brads, and they're about 20 to 25% cheaper than you're going to pay retail. But I found an even better deal today. So let's head over to Amazon first off, and let's look at this brand that I've been pushing on you guys for quite a while now. 5,000 count box is going to run you a little over 16, which winds up being like $3 per 1,000. if you've ever been to the Home Depot or the Lowe's big box stores, you know that $3 for 1,000 is a steal, because most of the time when you buy them that low of quantity, you're paying about $8 to $10. So I found this way deep in here. I have not used this particular brand, but this is even cheaper. This is $14 for 5,000 brads. Now, I don't push anything on this channel unless it has this right here, which is a minimum of 4.5 stars. So if you look at this, it's highly rated. 14 bucks, again, might not sound like a lot, but if you're saving $2 a box and you're going through multiple boxes of this a year, all of these savings add up. And that's what I'm trying to do, is help you guys cut your costs out in your shop. This is a great way to do it. So let's get on to this next one. All right, this next item is something we don't talk about ever on this channel, but I caught myself using this all the time, and I'm like, why am I not showing you guys this? Terry cloth shop rags. Home Depot and Lowe's sells their house brand, and they're decent. All of these are just cheap ass terry cloth rags. Literally, that's all it is. But let's head over and just do some price comparison, and I'll show you why I popped this up in today's video. So we head over to Lowe's. This is what we're going to pay. And if you notice, we're getting 75 pieces in here. And then we're going to take the same exact terry cloth towels, head back over to Amazon, and let's look at their pack. We're going to get 150 in here for just a few more bucks. Again, this is kind of a no-brainer, self-explanatory item. I don't need to spend a lot of time on this. Shop towels, terry cloth white. At this price point, they don't even have to be reusable. Use this stuff to clean up your glue and stain and all the other stuff that you're dropping around your shop and on your workbench like I am. Save yourself some money. Pick these up today. Next item. All right, next let's talk about something that we use tons and tons of out in our shop, and I'm sure you do too. Wood glue. Titebond 1, Titebond 2, and Titebond 3, if you're not familiar with what the difference is. Titebond 3 is completely waterproof. Titebond 2 is water resistant. Titebond 1 is not waterproof nor resistant at all. Setup time is also going to vary between type 1, 2, and 3. So I'm going to pop up right here before we get to pricing. Here's Titebond's little chart, graph, whatever you want to call it, that's going to show you, it's not a graph, why did I say that, but it's this little thing right here. It's going to show you the different setup times, curing durations, etc., all that stuff for Titebond 1. Now, this one right here, I've actually got one of these three you're going to pick up at Lowe's cheaper, which is amazing to me. But let's get into this. So let's look right here. Titebond 1 at Amazon right now is just over 20 bucks per gallon, which is an insane price because all of your retail and specialty stores, it's 30 plus. Titebond 2, however, is on sale at Lowe's right now, and it is way cheaper than Amazon. It's like $8 a gallon cheaper for Titebond 2. Pick this up on Lowe's, and yeah, there is a link down in the description for Lowe's as well. But let's go back to Amazon for Titebond 3 because it is cheaper. Now, Titebond 3, it's not a big savings. It's like $3 a gallon. For some reason, everybody seems to have this priced almost exactly the same, but you are going to save a little bit of money over at Amazon. And if you're picking up some 1 and you need 3, grab it in the same order. So next item. All right, this next item is something we use a lot of out in our shop, and I'm sure you do too, and it's mechanical pencils. I'm not going to talk a lot about mechanical pencils because we all know what a mechanical pencil does. You click it and the lead comes out. This little pack over at Amazon is a great price, so let's check it out. So this thing is going to come with multiple pencils, multiple refills of your lead, and it's available in 3 different lead sizes. I know a lot of you guys like the really, really fine stuff. I'm more of a medium to thicker lead personally, but all 3 of those lead sizes are available for the same price. This is like 12 bucks. You're getting multiple pencils, tons of refills. Again, another item I don't need to talk a lot about, but this is something that you know you use out in your shop, and I found this pack right here. This is a great bargain. So let's move on to the next item. Okay, another item that we use regularly out in our shop, but it's not something that I've ever promoted before, is going to be painter's tape. Now, I'm not a painter, but I use this quite often out in my shop. So there's no need for me to go to the big box stores or even on Amazon order the big name brand of painter's tape. This stuff is more than sufficient. And let's look at pricing and you'll understand why you don't need to be buying the 3M stuff. So if we head over and look first at what we're going to pay retail, the biggest pack I could find here is going to be a 9-roll pack. And when we take this price and we compare it to what we're going to get this 12-pack of painter's tape for over on Amazon, you can see the savings when you look at it a per roll price. It's a big discount. And again, I'm not a professional painter. This is sticking to bare wood. It's not sticking to drywall. It's not sticking to paint. I just need sometimes to use this to mark things out. It also helps with chip out if you pop it on the backside of your material while you're doing the cutout, especially with the jigsaw. It's going to help a little bit with tear out. So pick yourself up some blue painter's tape. You'll find plenty of uses for it out in your shop. Let's go. Next item. All right, we're going to stick with tape real quick, and we're going to talk once again. I know this one pops up a lot, but you guys need to pick this stuff up at Amazon. It's this X-Fasten double-sided tape. Now, I have been using this for a while out in my shop. I have zero complaints. It does exactly what it's supposed to do. It sticks two pieces of material together. It pulls apart when I want it to, and it leaves zero residue behind. And the reason it's up again is because this price is still unbelievable. So let's head over to Rockler first, because Rockler actually got on the bandwagon and started carrying this X-Fasten tape. Now, X-Fasten, probably a Chinese brand. I don't know. All I do know about them is this tape is quality, and the fact that Rockler picked it up should also attest to that. So over at Rockler, this is what we're going to pay. And if you look at the total feet, though, this is a 3-pack of 60-foot rolls. So you're getting 180 total feet. Let's head back over to Amazon and let's compare price. It's almost the same exact price. And at Amazon, you're getting 324 feet versus 180. You're getting about 40 to 45% more tape for $2 or $3 more. This is a no-brainer. You guys have eaten this tape up in the past. I expect you to do the same today. Get this tape. You're going to like it. Next item. All right, real quick, I'm going to pop this one in here just because a lot of you guys, like me, tend to lose, break, misplace, etc. Your tape measure. Let's just look at this real quick. I found this really good price on Stanley. This is the old school silver cased yellow tape, old school stuff, 12 foot. Head over to like Woodcraft, Rockler. You're going to see their house brands. You're going to pay 10 or 11 bucks a tape. I have no idea about the precision and the quality of their tape itself. I do know that Stanley has been around like since Jesus was a baby, so they're going to make some really good stuff. And if you look at this, we're getting 2 of these, basically 10 bucks a piece. These are 12-foot small little tapes. These are great to keep around your shop. If you're like me, you're always misplacing them, can't find it when you need it, etc. Pick yourself up a couple packs of these today. Leave them laying around your shop. This is a great price, 10 bucks. You're not getting an off-brand. You're not getting a house brand. You're getting Stanley, which makes extremely good tapes. So let's go. Next item. All right, so this next item, we're going to talk about this back here. This is my lumber rack. During Prime Day, they had the Bora on sale, and it was a great price. Bora makes some really good quality products, but I will tell you right now, this rack right here is probably the same exact thing, and we all know Chinese knockoffs on Amazon tend to come from the same factory as the original item. So instead of paying for Bora, let's get this rack, which I have out in my shop right here, because it is an awesome price right now on Amazon. So this rack behind me has 4 pieces. Each one has 3 levels to it. So if you wanted to go 2 and 2 high, you would get a total of 6 slats to store your lumber in. I actually went 4 wide. I want a little more stability on some of my longer boards, especially when I've got some nicer quality stuff up here. I don't want that sagging in the middle. So for this price, you can't beat it. Let's head over first and see what we're going to get over at Rockler, Woodcraft, the specialty stores, and then we'll come back and check out Amazon. So this is what you're going to kind of get over at the specialty stores. It's their house version. It's probably very well made, but when we start looking at pricing, it's a little bit of a difference here. We're over 50 bucks for this unit. Going to give you the same exact amount of racks, same storage capability. Head back over to Amazon and let's look at this Amazon brand. It's 20 bucks or so cheaper for the same exact thing. This is another one of those items that who needs a name brand? It does exactly what it's supposed to do. You're never going to put more lumber on this rack than it is rated to hold as far as weight. Save yourself 20 bucks. You're going to love this rack. I love mine. Next item. All right, so next let's talk about some paste wax. Now, paste wax is something that every shop probably has on the shelf. It's something that you're going to go through regularly, especially if you can't see it on camera, but my table saw is over there. Especially if you're constantly using your table saw, you want to keep that wax fresh and buffed out. Paste wax is something you should have in your shop. It's another staple that we all have. And let's just look at price and let's see why we should get this stuff on Amazon. All right, so let's just check out price. We're going to compare apples to apples. Minwax, same size, same exact brand. This is what you're going to pay retail / specialty store. Boom, let's head back over to Amazon. It's like 15 to 20% cheaper right here. Same exact product. Another no-brainer. Pick yourself up some paste wax. Next item. All right, and last on today's video is going to be some stain. Now, stain is something you might not have thought about ordering from Amazon, but let me just show you real quick pricing. We're going to do another apples to apples comparison. We're going to compare Home Depot, because they carry Varathane, to Amazon. And if you look right here, we're going to head over to Home Depot first, and this is what we're going to pay for a quart. We're going to get 1 quart. This is their same price for almost all of their colors. There are a few that are a little bit different, but this is kind of their standard pricing. Head over to Amazon, check this price out, and this is going to be for 2 quarts. We're getting twice as much for just a little bit more money. As always with Amazon, benefit is they also bring it to your door for free. So no brainer. If you need stain, 2 packs of stain, not much more than 1 going to the retail store. All right, that is all I got for you today. So if you have not already, take 2 minutes, do me a favor, click that subscribe button, turn on those notifications, leave us a comment. That's the most important thing you can do. And the easiest thing you can do is click that like button. It takes 2 seconds to give us a thumbs up. It helps the algorithm pump our stuff out to more people. So if you like what you saw today in the video, let me know down in the comments. If you plan on ordering any of these items, let me know down in the comments what you ordered. If you found a better deal, I'm always open to suggestions and input. So if you find something somewhere else that is a better price on the same exact item or a very comparable item, please let me know. Would love to hear from you guys. Always appreciate you spending a little bit of your time with me here at New Craft Workshop. We will catch you guys on YouTube.